the mat. Let's go for the next step. Then 1, 2. You can say hoo-ha. Pull your right. You're here. Just take your right hand forward. Pull it. Take it out. 1. Later on, watch my leg. In. Both the leg simultaneously. Out. Then take your right leg behind your left. Right leg back. Please don't bring it front, children. Take it back. Don't take a turn from your left now. No, you should take a turn from your right. If you take a turn from your left, you may slip. So, for the smooth, easy, when the right leg is back, you should take a turn from your right side, like this. Right side turn and come like this, facing left side. Okay? Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take both hands out, just like this. Here. Left hand, back side. Right hand, you can't see the left hand, but you can see the right hand. Okay. Click. And move your shoulder like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder. Watch my shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I'm doing, I'm bouncing also. Right shoulder, left shoulder. Right shoulder, left shoulder. Right shoulder, left shoulder. Now how it goes? Look. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when we do, we need to move backward. Look. Right leg back, left leg back, right leg back, left leg back. Now leave your left hand down. Take your right hand up. Back to your place. Left, right, and just one more time. Okay? Let me do all this step together. Once we finish here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, right, left, left, right, and one more time. You can just please practice this step. What we do is, let's do all this step together with the music.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna try. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time.
It's time to say tata, bye-bye. I will see you soon, very soon. Please take care, be safe, and be happy. Keep smiling, keep dancing.